Welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take a right financial and investment decision. Do you think you have invested enough money in the Indian stock market? Do you want to diversify your investments into international stock market? We have financial expert Amit Gruver with us, who can explain how to invest in international stock market. Amit Gruver, could you please explain?
For example, I would say again, how in India you use an equity mutual fund, similarly use an equity mutual fund. And I'll give you HDFC's example, and international funds are also available with other mutual funds. I'm just giving you an HDFC's example. We have a HDFC Developed World Fund. So in all the developed markets, it invests, okay? One fund invests into US also, entire Europe also, entire Australia, Japan, Singapore, and all the developed markets. Developed world is basically almost 80% of the entire world stock market. So your core portfolio is into India. When you invest into the developed fund, I'll give you a breakup also of that. Out of that developed fund, okay, 60% goes into US, 25% goes into Europe, some goes into Japan, some into Australia, and some little bit into Singapore and other countries. So what happens that in one go, you have taken exposure to all the developed countries in the world. So like we are doing the session in Zoom, even Zoom might be a stock in that. Amazon, Facebook, and Google, all these companies are part of the portfolio. So what happens is that you also have domestic good companies, you also have international companies. Basically, you have taken an exposure in all of them. Right now, unfortunately, this fund or this category of fund of international right now is closed because there was a small problem which was started many years back. SEBI had said only 7 billion money can come into international fund. This regulation was made 10-15 years back. Okay, SEBI didn't realize how big mutual funds will become. Unfortunately, the mutual fund industry has just breached that international mandate of 7 billion, and nobody realized it. So a request has gone to SEBI. Most likely in a month's time, we will have a waiver, and again, a lot of flows can come into international fund. I will suggest some amount of money. What is some? It depends from client to client. But taking your advisor's help, maybe like 5, 10, 15, 20% of your money, maybe you can think of investing into international funds. Maybe.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.